Hello, biscuits and crumpets and tea. Yum yum. Hey Lewis, I'm Peter Griffin. Ha 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 ha. Do not so stupid things because you're the stupid character. Am I the only person who hasn't seen Game of Thrones? Like, everyone's talking about it and I'm just here like, oh, I don't know. I love spaghetti so much. It's so good. I love it. Man, I sure love kissing boys and doing sex with them. And I want to show Pablo my boobs and butt because he is so handsome and I love to kiss boys. Every boy ever. Hi there, it's me, Kermit the Frog. Ribbit, ribbit, I'm a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Much respect to your family. I am a Russian guy. This is my Russian voice. The ganja man, do you want some of the ganja? Ice cream, ice cream. If you guys want ice cream, I got it in here in my truck. This one's just my regular. This one's my regular voice. We have to build a wall and not collaborate with the Russians. They let me win in basketball. I'm the black president. I really love sports. Oh, geez, I don't know, Rick. I don't know if that's a good idea, with my school and everything. Morty, you gotta shove these things way up your butt. Way up your bum, Morty. Just like that. Just like that, you're gonna fucking go? You're gonna take the kids, you're gonna fucking go where? Where are you gonna stay? With your fucking parents like you're 20 years old? It's embarrassing, Deborah. It's fucking embarrassing. We're adults. We can figure this out amicably and you're gonna take the kids away from me? I'm their fucking father. It's just fucking hypocritical that you're gonna go at the first sign of trouble. You know what? We can talk about a divorce, but I'm not gonna let you take my fucking kids from me. It's fucking horse shit. Bark, bark, bark.